How to find local dropshipping suppliers. Benefits of domestic suppliers. Dropshipping is a viable business model used to make money online. But it's not just about finding great products and selling them at a profit. You also need to find suppliers of those products, and this can be one of the biggest challenges for new dropshippers. While it may be tempting to work with overseas suppliers due to their low prices, there are many benefits to working with local dropshipping suppliers. We will explore the benefits of working with domestic suppliers and provide tips on how to find local dropshipping suppliers for your e-commerce business. Let's get to know what is dropshipping. Dropshipping is a fulfillment method that doesn't require a business to keep products in stock. Instead, the retailer purchases inventory as needed from a third party and then fulfills orders by shipping goods directly to customers from the third-party supplier. The point is to run a business without needing to maintain any inventory. You do the marketing and set up the WooCommerce or Shopify storefront, and when customers order from you, they are really ordering from a dropshipping company. That business then spits out the order with your logo and branding on the packing slip, and you pocket the cost difference of the sales prices versus the supply cost. Now let's discuss how to find local dropshipping suppliers. Now that you have a general idea of the process, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to find local dropshipping suppliers. Supply chain management can be daunting if you don't know where to start. Fortunately, there are plenty of options out there. If you're looking for domestic suppliers, consider these significant options. Number 1 is to directly reach out to wholesalers, manufacturers. The best way to find local dropshipping suppliers is by contacting manufacturers. This is because manufacturers are the ones who make the products and thus know which products sell well and which don't. As a result, they can tell you which products would be good sellers for your e-commerce business niche. They can connect you with discounts for setting up dropshipping and may even help you market your new storefront. Number 2 is to visit a trade show or special event. Trade shows are a great way to find suppliers. You can get up close and personal with your potential suppliers and see their products firsthand before making a decision. At these events, there is also usually an opportunity for networking with other dropshippers and entrepreneurs in your local area that are looking for the same thing as you are: high-quality products at low prices. Number 3 is to source products from the same suppliers of competitors. Don't be afraid to do a product analysis of your competitors. This includes checking the quality of their products and how long it takes them to get those products from their suppliers to you. You can also check on the shipping cost and speed of delivery in your search for a domestic dropshipper. At some point in this supply chain, you should be able to discover what supplier they are using because there is bound to be a maker's mark on the product. You can also reverse image the product photo from a competitor's site on Google and find it that way. Number 4 is to research extensively. You should research your supplier's reputation and reviews, as well as their location and pricing. It's also worth exploring payment methods and customer service if you intend on working with them long term, as this will help ensure that they are a company that works hard to satisfy their customers' needs. Number 5 is to watch social media. Social media is a great way to find dropshipping suppliers, as well. You can search for them on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and other social media platforms. You can also use forums or YouTube to find domestic dropshipping suppliers by leveraging local geotagging or hashtags. So, what are the benefits of local dropshipping suppliers? The best local dropshipping suppliers will have their own warehouses, which means faster delivery times and lower shipping costs. You can also ask them about credit terms and other payment options to help manage your cash flow. No matter what, you will get better access to quality customer service because the manufacturer will see you as a local business and not a faceless online e-commerce storefront. That means they will be willing to go a little extra mile in their relationship with you. In general, you can expect the following from local dropshipping suppliers. Number 1 is better communication and relationship. When you work with local dropshipping suppliers, you get to know them better. Knowing a supplier's business model will help you understand how it operates and make decisions accordingly. It allows you to experience a higher level of customer service compared to being a number on some other country's supply database. Number 2 is faster shipping. Another advantage of finding a domestic dropshipping supplier is the speed at which you can get your products to your customers. By working with a domestic supplier, not only do you get access to faster shipping options, but you also can choose from many locations that are closer to home. Anyone who has worked in dropshipping before will tell you the faster you can deliver your goods, the more you can compete with major brands like Amazon and Walmart. Number 3 is improved product quality. Using local suppliers gives you access to better quality products, and the manufacturers are more likely to respond to your needs. In addition, with domestic suppliers, there will be no language barrier for communication, which means you can communicate with them in their own language. That allows you to specify a minor design tweak or improvement that can be easily conveyed and integrated into your marketing. Number 4 is possible credit options and cash flow advantages. Another benefit of working with domestic suppliers is that you have the option to use credit terms. This means that you can pay for the goods later, and your supplier will give you a discount on their products. The more cash you have on hand, the better off your business flexibility to overcome any challenges that come your way. So, how to integrate dropshipping into your WooCommerce storefront? The flexibility offered by dropshipping is one of its most significant benefits. You can sell any type of product or service with this model, so long as you have access to a supplier who will provide your customer with their order and ship it directly to them. This becomes a lot easier when you have automation worked into your online store. That way, when an order comes in, all systems are in place for the customer to order, confirm, and receive their product while you focus on other concerns. A key element to helping this process is the WooCommerce Dropshipping plugin. This exciting plugin will improve your automated order notifications, group orders by suppliers, and generate packing slips on your behalf. There are so many other bespoke benefits to this easy-to-integrate technology that will boost your dropshipping storefront from the occasional order to scaling up when your marketing is in full gear. Until next time, stay secure and keep growing your e-commerce business. And make sure you never miss a video by subscribing and hitting the bell icon.